Hello guys, my name is Koushik and welcome back to LetCode. So far we have discussed like 3 test cases in our test practice series. Today I'm going to bring one more test case, that is TC004, and that is going to be computer database. It's a very simple website, like normal HTML kind of website, but we are going to focus on few of the verifications because in testing most of the time we have to do the verification. So we are going to focus on those methods as well as few of the methods from the Java as well. Okay, so let's get started now. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to navigate to this site. Just click on this, it will open in a new tab, so you can grab this URL from there. Okay, and then first thing, we have to verify the title as computer database. So what is title? Okay, I'm not going to say that. You have to find this, like how to find the title in Selenium as well as in this page. You have to find the title of the page. So that's going to be computer database, and then we have to verify the page header is the same as the page title. That means the page title is going to be computer database, and the page header is nothing but this guy, right? So here we have like this guy and this guy, both are same. Okay, I said the title, so this is the title and this is the page header, both should be exactly same. Okay, how do we do that? Of course we have to use the Java string concept, and then we have to do the maybe if condition, or if you are aware of test ng and the assert, probably you can use that as well. Okay, and after that, user must see the filter by computer name text box. Okay, so this is the text box. We should write a we should write a code to verify that it is displayed. It is visible, and then new computer this button and followed by this button. And on the sixth point, it says like we have to verify whether we are able to see this table along with the computer name, that is header. Okay, we have to verify all the headers like computer name, introduced, discontinued, and the company. So this header are in the same sequence. Okay, and then the user should see the pagination is nothing but this guy, right? So here you can see we are getting this like next, previous, and number of records we have. So this thing we have to verify. Okay, so these are the verifications mostly we do in the testing. So very simple steps. Okay, just 2 or 3 functions you have to use, but the way you are going to write is what makes you a good tester. Okay, then we have to add a new computer. So I'll just click on this add a new computer, and then we have to click on create this computer. So once I click on this, I'll be seeing like red background. So user should see the red background on the computer name field. It's not red actually, but kind of red. Okay, so just you have to verify the background. Okay, remember, I'm not asking you to check this text or the or like the failure message. What I ask you to do is verify the background. Okay, so you have to write a function for that, and then enter the computer name. So I'm going to say something like ASDS, something like that. Okay, and then select the company as Nokia. So here we have a drop down, so we can select the Nokia, and then submit the form. That means we have to click on this create this computer. Okay, once we click, successful message should be displayed. Okay, we got it. Okay, but here is the problem. Okay, so next test case is like search the created data. So we have created data with this name, so I'm going to enter, and I'm going to click on this one. Then result should be visible. Okay, but here you can see we are seeing like nothing to display. Okay, this is actually a defect, so you have to find the defect. Okay, so already I mentioned in the bracket, because we do not know about the application, so I'm just assume when I create the data it's not visible. Also, if you noticed, like the data is 574 till if I create a new data, the data count is 574. So of course this is a dummy website, but based on this number also we can do the validation. So I have not written the test case for that, but if you really wanted to practice, probably you can practice. So what actually you have to do is first take this text and store the number. Okay, so store the count in some variable. Okay, then add a new computer, then it should be +1, correct? So if you add something like this, and then it should be like 575, but still we are getting 574. So that is also a defect here. You can write a test case for that as well. Okay, so that's it. It's a very simple one, but few of the concepts we can learn, like how to do the verifications, how to write the steps for test scripts for the verifications, and also the few of the Java concepts, like to see the matching of the string, and then Probably if you write a test case for this, you can learn like how to convert the um, string to integer and few other concept. Okay, so that's it from my side. I will see you in the next test case very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.